Dear video blog, mood apathetic. Like, I saw a lot of mean comments on my other videos, and so like here's another one. Like, it totally hurt me to like know that like that many people like think that I'm like a total like dumbass, and like to know that like that many people like don't like me. And it's like, why do people have to be so mean? I mean, I was outside the other day and I saw a dead bird. I mean, like, it was a dead bird. Dead bird. Hold on, I need some tissue. Alright, I'm better. It was a dead bird. I mean, like, birds dying. I mean, birds dying. Don't you understand any monsters?